Professional picker or weekend warrior? This video will show you the 5 things everyone should bring to an estate sale. Number 1, a bag or a box to put your finds in. Always bring a bag with you. You never know when you'll stumble upon the motherlode of treasures. Number 2, a roll of masking tape and a marker. Some things are too big to fit in your bag. Marking these items as sold is a perfectly acceptable way of claiming an item and not having to carry it around the house. Putting this piece of tape in a highly visible area is even better. Number 3, a flashlight. Basements and attics often have poor lighting. Having a good flashlight allows you to find things even in the darkest of corners. Number 4, a magnifying glass. Coins, jewelry, and artwork sometimes need to have a closer look. A small pocket-sized loupe goes a long way when you're at the site. Number 5, last but not least, a good old measuring tape. Knowing the dimensions before buying something is important. Sometimes size matters.
That's what she said.
Have these 5 things with you and you will be better prepared than most people at every estate sale. If you like this video, consider following this channel by pressing the red subscribe button below. As always, thank you very much for watching. Stay timeless.